Hi, my name is Lori, and right now I'm at a ponderosa pine forest. Surrounding me are ponderosa pine trees, but there are more than just trees here. There are thousands of plants and animals that call this place home, and together they make up the forest ecosystem. The forest plays an important part in cleaning the air and the water, as well as provides a habitat for plants and animals. Humans also rely on the forest for resources, and these ecosystems play a key role in humanity's ability to survive. Among the most important functions that a forest serves is the collection, storage, and filtration of the water we drink. It's important that we keep our forest healthy, but what are the signs of a healthy forest ecosystem? First, we have to look at the parts of a healthy forest ecosystem. Healthy forests have plants, water, air, animals, all of these things that work together to keep a forest stable and resilient. When you look into the forest, you may just see it all as one whole, lots and lots of trees in one area, but in fact, the forest is made up of many small parts that contribute to the overall health of the ecosystem. If we look at this model, it helps us see what is difficult to observe. We can see some of the processes that are happening in the forest. We see trees growing and competing with each other for sunlight. We see the evaporation of water from the streams, lakes, and rivers. We see trees and other plants transpiring moisture into the air. And we see plant roots reaching into the soil to absorb water and nutrients. All of these processes are necessary to maintain a healthy forest ecosystem. When we think of forest fires, we often think about these huge destructive fires that burn down the forest and endanger our homes. However, in a healthy forest, these fires tend to be smaller and less intense. In fact, fires are an important process in keeping our forest healthy. When these small fires do not occur for a long period of time, it can actually cause a forest to become unhealthy. This is because it leads to a buildup of debris on the ground, including pine needles, grasses, branches, that can cause fire to become more destructive. So if there is a small fire that goes through, it burns all of that debris down and it becomes a soil that is good for the trees to grow further. But if we don't have these small fires, there's too much debris, it can cause dangerous fires and it can endanger our forest ecosystems. Knowing all of the parts and processes that make up a forest ecosystem gives us new insights that can help us identify a healthy or unhealthy forest. Do you think this forest is healthy? What about this forest?